NuroClean all-in-one cleaning spray. It's marketed as a magical cleaner that can handle tough stains, grease, grime, and everyday dirt, all with one spray. They say it works with an advanced surfactant formula and even comes in a reusable bottle with concentrated tablets. Sounds super convenient, right? But here's the thing. We decided to take a closer look to see if it really works. First, we checked the reviews. On the product website, everything looked amazing, almost too perfect, so we went to Trustpilot. And honestly, the results were shocking. NuroClean has a 1.2-star rating, and most reviews were negative. People reported unexpected extra charges, recurring PayPal payments, misleading product claims, and poor customer service. Some said the products were faulty or didn't work at all. And when they tried to get help, it was slow or unhelpful. Many had to go through PayPal or their credit card to resolve issues. Basically, a lot of reviewers are warning others to stay away. Next, let's talk about the product images. You know those before and after photos they show? We did a reverse image search, and guess what? Many of the images were copied from other sites. If a company can't even provide real photos, how can we trust the rest of their claims? Now the product claims. NuroClean calls itself America's #1 rated cleaner and #1 cleaner for instant stain removal. But there's no source, no study, no organization that gave them this title. Without proof, these statements seem misleading. It's hard to trust that this cleaner is really better than what you already have. Another red flag: aggressive sales tactics. The website is full of messages like, limited time offer, 65% off, and only a few items left, with countdowns ticking nonstop. Honestly, it feels more like pressure to buy than confidence in the product. And the marketing words, oh boy. Terms like budget-friendly, all-in-one, environmentally friendly sound nice, but there's no proof, no numbers, no real data behind them. It feels more like hype than honest information. So what's the takeaway here? Based on customer complaints, misleading claims, copied images, unverifiable accolades, and pushy sales tactics, NuroClean seems unreliable, maybe even deceptive. It probably won't work as promised, and the company's practices raise serious trust and safety concerns. If you're thinking about buying it, maybe think twice. There are plenty of other cleaners that won't give you headaches. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.